Do you know that you can create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail using Capcut? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail using Capcut. But before I go into the video, I want to say thank you, Mandy Mambata, for your sincere comment under my video. Thank you so much. Now let's get into the video. Once you're on Google Chrome, search for Pixabay. We are going to use Pixabay to download the background we are going to use. So we are looking for a white background. Click on white background. Click on download and download it. Once it's downloaded, we'll go to Capcut. Let's go to Capcut. Let's new project and pick our new image. Let's leave the image at 2 seconds. What we're going to do first is to add our text. Thumbnail tutorial. Thumbnail tutorial. Click on font style and select the style you want. For me, I'm going to select Kunia. And I'm going to choose black. The next thing we'll do is to add another text. Type tutorial. Click on style and we are going to change it to this style. Thumbnail tutorial. The next thing I will do here is to select our icon. Let's select our icon. We will click on overlay. Cut icon PNG download. Free logo PNG. From here we can download our icon. It's very easy. From here you can download the icon. Click on overlay to import our icon. Select the icon, add we're going to make sure that everything stands out and make sure that none of these touches each other. The icon will stand on its own. To add our picture, we are going to select any picture here, but I'm going to choose any picture and remove background so that you can see how I easily remove the background of my picture. With camera, I'm going to add this picture. To remove the background of this picture, you are going to select this picture. You are going to select the picture, cut out, click on cut out, remove background, click on remove background, and automatically the background of this picture have been removed. This is easily how you can remove the background of any picture. This is how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Capcut. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are a new subscriber on this channel, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Thank you so much. So you can now click on up here, turn it to 1080 pixel, and then download. To download your YouTube thumbnail as a JPEG file, you will go to Google Play Store and install zip extractor. And once you've loaded, you click on open. We have the free version of zip extractor. So what we'll do now is to go to Google Chrome, search for EasyGIF, easygif.com. Click on video to JPEG or video to PNG. You can choose anyone, then choose file. Click on upload video. So as you can see, our video is uploaded. So we have to click on convert to PNG. So this is our PNG files. Click on download frame and zip. Click on download, go to your zip extractor. This is our thumbnail, or this is how to easily create a thumbnail from Capcut.